In this video, we show how to replace the heatsink and processor in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a heatsink and processor, you'll need to loosen the nuts in reverse numerical order, so starting 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 first, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then lift it out of the system. To remove the processor, loosen the captive screw holding the retention plate down. It's spring loaded, so be careful. Lift the blue latches to free the processor carrier, and then lift it up and out of the system. To install the processor, align it with the arm and slide it down into place, and then press to secure it. Next, lower the retention plate and tighten the captive screw to fully secure everything. Before putting on the heatsink, ensure that you put new thermal paste on the processor in a thin spiral. Making sure that you've cleaned up any excess thermal paste before reinstalling the heatsink. To install the heatsink, align and lower it into place. Then tighten the captive screws in numerical order, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting with 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.